maayong adlaw. Welcome to Finma Sioxi exclusive podcast. Imong go-to space for inspiration, opportunities, and everything you need to know about building your future. It's me, Lev, and today's episode is all about leadership, strategy, and building successful businesses as we feature the College of Management and Accountancy of Finma Cagayan de Oro College. So, if ever you've dreamed of becoming a business leader, building your own empire, become an entrepreneur, accountant, tourism professional, hotel and restaurant manager, or financial expert, then stay tuned because this could be the right path for you. Do I enjoy leading, planning, or organizing projects? Or interested ba ko in business, finance, or entrepreneurship? Or do I want a career that offers growth, stability, and endless opportunities?
And once you take a step in it, then you really have to work with it.
You will learn more than what you expected to learn.
And if ang imong answer ng questions kay yes, then the College of Management and Accountancy is perfect for you. So, speaking of business and management and accountancy, we have here our beautiful, gorgeous, energetic, and passionate and dedicated faculty members of the College of Management and Accountancy. So, please introduce yourselves muna po, ma'am, para mailan ta sa inyong mga future students who might be watching today.
Okay. Dibayin ko ikaw na. Sige.
Okay. So, hi everyone. Mabuhay. I am Miss Irish Grace Villan and I'm from the Hospitality and Tourism Management Department.
Hi everyone. Good morning, Miss Lev. This is Queenie May S. Palmares. I am a faculty of the College of Management and Accountancy under the Business Administration program, specifically in Marketing Management.
Okay. So thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us here today para maisgutan nato unsa ang mga opportunities nga gawait sa atong mga students who are interested to pursue the College of Management and Accountancy. So unsa man ang mga programs under CMA, ma'am, nga pwede mapilian sa atong mga students?
Under CMA, we have three departments. That's accountancy, HTM, and BSBA. So under accountancy, we have two programs. That's Bachelor of Science in Accounting Management and Management Accounting and Bachelor of Science in Accountancy.
Okay. So unsay difference ana nila, ma'am? Kay medyo confusing siya. Ang accountancy is mo nang board exam.
Yes.
Walang management accounting
Wala
non-board
siya
siya.
board. Mm-mm.
Pero unsay main difference nila?
I think it's more on career development. So in the future, if you wish to be an accountant, a CPA, you really have to take the board exam, the Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. And if you want to be an accountant, although you're not titled as CPA, being a management accounting graduate also gives leverage to graduates who are passionate in accounting.
Okay. How about other programs, ma'am, nga wala pa na-mention?
For business administration, we also have two programs under that department. Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management, and Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management.
Kanang duha, ma'am, unsa po yung main difference ana nila, ang marketing and financial?
So of course, literally when you talk about financial management,
Money.
it talks about numbers, money. So kung mayroon sila kung bright kag math pag financial management, kung tabian lang ka marketing management.
Okay.
Oo.
So,
It's more on, I think, if you're passionate about marketing products, how you want to market things, how you want to sell, becoming an entrepreneur, that's marketing management. In financial management, we also have careers in banking.
Okay. Wala pa na-mention ang hospitality.
Yes,
and
HTM.
tourism.
So we also have two programs under the HTM department. So that's Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management and Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management.
Medyo confusing, ma'am. Unsa kay usually abi na to ang hospitality kay same na siya sa tourism. So unsa po yung difference ana nilang duha?
Well, actually, hospitality management focuses more on businesses like hotels,
Kuha na
restaurants,
siyang
resorts.
HRM before, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay.
So murag mas gipalawak lang siya ang iyang term because hotel and restaurant marag limited lang siya for hotels and restaurant, but it encompasses na a bigger industry, which is the hospitality. Well, for tourism, though na ay mga similar subjects ang kaning duha ka course, ang tourism, it focuses more on like development and the tourism here in like, for example, here in Misamis Orientals, our students are exposed in creating development plans and also tour guiding. So they have differences.
Different yun
dapat.
sila. So, basin na curious ato mga students mabanga, basin na height requirement if gusto mag-tourism. So, naabay height
Okay.
requirement?
Well, wala gyud height requirement. There is a COC.
So, everyone is
yes,
welcome
everyone
to
is
enroll.
welcome. Though, of course, in the industry, there are establishments
Oo.
that would require.
Pero
the,
diri sa
ano,
COC
but
wala.
here, yes,
Yes.
because there are other opportunities
Mm-mm.
for jobs that or career na dili necessary ang height.
Height, okay. I noticed po, ma'am, no, ang atong mga female HTM students are very well groomed
Very.
and pretty kayo ba? So, how do you encourage them to stay well composed and well groomed bisan grabe kay naka full gyapon nga makeup na.
Yes.
So, ginaon sa niyo siya encourage, ma'am?
Yes, we are very strict in implementing our uniform policy. So it's basically training them to act as professionals, to be ready, and to really present themselves well. So because of how we, as a department, we are united in helping our students to do that. So that's why they're able to really,
Present
be
themselves
well groomed.
well.
Yes, and of course, heels ba sila? Taman 6th
3
floor.
inches
diba?
na, ma'am, no?
Oo,
3 inches?
and,
Ang requirement sa
hindi sila
heels.
allowed to remove their heels or to
Correct.
change into like flip-flops or
Flip-flops,
flat
dili gid
shoes
pwede.
even when they're outside of the school because they represent the school when
Yes,
they're outside.
ma'am.
So all
Yes.
the more that they have to be presentable.
Yes.
Be-
So, very disciplined yun ang atong mga
Yes.
HTM students mo. How about sa BSBA, ma'am? Unsay mga opportunities pod nga gawait sila when they finish their degree?
When you finish business administration, of course, they say, usahay manggod no, kay naatay ka ng perspective ba nga. Pag BA ra, kay para makatrabaho ra kapag humani mo
Oo.
graduate.
Kay
Yes,
onboard
which
na
is
siya.
true. Yes,
Yes.
it's true. Because aside from the fact that business administration has no board exam,
Yes, ma'am.
it actually is a very broad course.
Tapos flexible kay
Yes.
usually ba pag mangita kag work kay mostly ang ginapangita gid nila kay business related
Correct,
courses.
correct. So anywhere you will go, di ba? Anywhere you look at all those big buildings that you see outside, when you go outside, tanan na gapanginahanglan o manarbaho sa ilaha in marketing, in
Yes,
finance,
business related yun.
which means every establishment, every business would require a business graduate.
Yes.
Mm.
So very flexible and in
Correct.
demand
Correct.
in today's world. Yeah.
Yes.
And kanang sikat kayo ang buffet, di ba, ma'am? Sa
Yes,
during
yes, of course.
sa HTM. Ginaunsa ninyo sila pag-prepare sa mga students na murag muakid sila professionally while ga-serve sa mga customers, while gina-entertain nila. So ginaunsa ninyo sila pag-prepare, ma'am?
Okay. Well, atong mga students sa HTM, they have lots of hands-on training.
Correct.
Exposed din kayo sila
Unsa na
sa
sila year
hands-on
ga-start
training.
pod, ma'am?
So, actually, second year, daghan na sila mga laboratory subjects for food and beverage service, and na isa like cooking mga subjects. And so, they are being trained and ang muscle memory, no? Repetition ba sa mga nila mga practical skills. So, during their simulation, during the buffet nga gina-offer even outside
Yes,
of the school, kay makita gyud nga that the students are well trained and they know what to do.
So during sa simulation, ma'am, unsa ginabuhat sa hospitality management and sa tourism management yung mga students?
Okay. Well, actually, for simulation, ang hospitality management students nato, naka-focus sila more on service
Surveys.
sa like restaurant. So, ilang mga simulations, usually restaurant simulation.
Well, sa
Kung sa ato pa
tourism.
mga tourism nga mga students, na sila tour guiding simulation.
okay.
So, they will go around the city, and even within Miss Or. Yeah.
Okay. So thank you so much, ma'am, no. And basin ga wonder para to mga students no, what can they expect from these programs under CMA? Like overall lang siya nga ano.
Overall.
Oo.
Well, ang CMA, especially for as a tourism and hospitality,
Mm-mm.
it's more of a dynamic, no, and
Mhm.
engaging learning experience. Mo na ilahang ma-expect yun because we are more on the practical skills,
Practical
hands-on
skills,
training gid
yes.
ta. So ma-enjoy ra gid nila. And dili ta makaingon nga sayon kay daghan bitaw
Yes.
mag-ingon nga mag-ano lang mag HM lang or mag-tourism kay
Oo.
sayon ni siya
Sayon
nga
ra daw.
subject, but when they're here
Oo,
ma-shock sila kayo, oy, lisod pa na gid wala gid ba sayon
Walay
nga
sayon
sa
nga
na
Walay
course,
sayon nga
no?
course ha.
Oo.
Even BA, dili siya
Yes.
sayon ha.
So dili kita dapat magbilittle og mga course na
Yes,
ginalang lang
yes.
nato.
Correct. So kana ma-enjoy ra gyud
Mm-mm.
because of the experiences, the exposures, the different activities
Yes.
na
Mm-mm.
ilahang ma-expect bitaw na ma-experience gid nila
Mm.
when they're here.
Ikaw ma'am,
Yes.
alumna ka diri ma'am no? And under sa
Yes.
HRM before.
Yes,
Yes, I
HRM
took
ng course.
HRM.
Oh, ikaw ma'am, as an alumna dire sa COC taking HRM, unsa pod ang mga experience nimo before katong student pa ka?
Actually, di na lang ko maingon kung kanus-at ko. Pero, way back, no, I was also a student here, and even some of the faculty members nga naa karon
Yes.
were still our teachers, no?
So, nimo na rin
Dagan,
mo-
oo, dagan mi sa
same
CMA.
sa mo mga alumni
Oo.
nga kanang di kanang nagtudlo na pud karon. So in my time, we would also do hands-on training.
Mm.
So kani diri ang mga public areas nato sa school, then sa diri sa Finma Hall, even dira sa kanang lobby,
Lobby.
ma-occupy gid na namo kay
Correct.
restaurant si University
Okay.
before.
Even
So,
a
like
bridge.
we
Even
would
sa
even
bridge.
go out. Nagid mi kanang mobile catering food na
Mm-mm.
una. So
Mm.
kami mismo maka-attest nga kanang pag-ingon og COC practical skills gid,
Yes.
hands-on training gid.
Then, laboratories ma'am, naman tayo mag hotel right?
Yes.
So,
well equipped po na to
Yes.
ang Mac Hotel. So it would be conducive for the learning and the training po.
Okay, thank you kayo ma'am.
Yes.
How about you ma'am? Alumna gyapon ka di ba?
Yes. Oo.
From
Uy,
marketing
pagsuya og
management.
gear, uy, kung ano sa ka ni graduate.
From marketing management.
Yes, marketing
Okay.
management. Actually, we are kuan. I was with Alex.
Okay ma'am.
Mm.
How about you ma'am? Katong experience po ni as a marketing management student.
Actually, my journey here in Finma COC is very transformative. I actually entered with the accountancy program. So I was once a Bachelor of Science in Accountancy
BSc.
student. So
Mm.
yes, the good thing about being in college, no, it's actually something that you would want to explore,
Mm-mm.
and along the way you will realize what you really want.
Mm-mm.
Yes. So as to the question, what would the students expect in accountancy and business administration? Well, you will expect in accountancy that it's a very challenging course.
Mm.
It's murag dili man na undeniable man na, it's a really challenging course, but that's the beauty in it. It's actually is the reason why our students would become competent in their field, why we can produce competent professionals, because aside from the training and guidance, we actually tell them that this is a challenging course, and once you take a step in it, then you really have to work with it. And in business administration, I think the expectations should be real life situations. You will really be engaged in, because it's business administration is very engaging.
Yes.
It's actually more on opening up your thoughts about being in a real life situation where your focus is really on business
Yes, ma'am.
and how to get away with problems, how to solve issues in businesses. Yes. So there are case studies, business simulations.
Katong sa feasibility study.
Yes, feasibility study. Yes, correct. You will really have an experience on selling, becoming an entrepreneur. You will be starting small. You will really shoulder your own capital. So it's like doing business in your own little way,
Yeah.
being a student, and at the same time, you would really think like a professional. Mm-mm.
So, unsa may mga advice nga inyong mahatag sa atong incoming freshman students nga gusto mag-pursue og CMA na course or under the CMA nga program?
CMA. Gusto kay ka una.
Sige, for
Or
me,
ibaligya yun yung
siguro.
CMA na choose
Ibaligya
CMA.
sang HTM dai.
Okay, siguro. Okay, so sa mga freshmen, mga incoming freshmen, expect to advice, no?
Yes, ma'am. Or tips.
Mm.
Advice or tips.
Okay.
For incoming
so just
freshmen.
be open to new learnings. I believe na when you enter this course, you will be surprised that maybe you have your ideas or impressions about the course, but when you're here, you will learn more than what you expected to learn, and you will be trained good. So rigid ang atong training, especially sa
Yes.
HTM.
Mm-mm.
So expect nga kana mo lihok gyud, dili pwede
Dili mo hilak.
kahoy-kahoy.
Oo.
No, yes. Dili pwede ang kahoy-kahoy ta dinhi, mulihok gyud, because that is for you. We are doing all this. The teachers work more than what the hours expected from them. Even stay here all night just to
Mm-mm.
train students. So yung anak ka dedicated and committed ang ato ang mga
Mga teachers.
teachers.
Correct.
So that is just for the students. So we don't expect gid bitaw anything in return, but we want them to be job ready.
Job ready.
That's
Correct.
why ang training is gyud kanang dili gyud pwedeng basta-basta lang.
During sa internship pod ba, usually asa naga intern atong mga
Okay,
students?
good
For
question.
HTM.
We have a lot of industry partners. So they go to Cebu, Manila, even Palawan, Davao. So we really deploy them to the big companies.
Yes.
Mga 5-star hotels, the airports, para ma-expose gid sila.
Ma-expose na gyud
Oo,
sa real world.
We do not encourage them to just stay here.
Stay here in
Though, of
CDO.
course, pwede magindaman tayo mga kwan diri sa CDO, no? But since wala mo tayo 5-star hotel diri, so we want them to go out there and really experience na, ingani gid ay pag 5-star.
Correct.
Yes, thank you kay. How about sa business?
For accountancy and
Yes.
business administration, tips, right? So for I think this is for generally for all freshmen, no. I think what you should do first is to think what you really want. What do you really want to do? What do you want to become? Kana. And then when you find your way to College of Management and Accountancy, so just like what Miss Ma'am Irish mentioned, no, in HTM, along with the accountancy program and the business administration program, we actually want to guide students. Well, it's not a want, it's actually what we do. We guide students, we train them even before they graduate,
Yes.
during their graduation, and after their graduation. There is really a path for them, and there is really a training where they will realize that this is the thing that I'm passionate about. This is what I want to pursue. Yes. And for incoming freshmen, if you really want to take accountancy, build your study habits, especially reading habits, because accountancy requires reading and analysis. So you might want to
recitations, ma'am?
Yes, you might want to make sure that na read good nimo page by page kay grabe ka baga ang libro ana, no. And in business administration, if you want to pursue a career in business, in marketing and finance, my tip would be just be participative, be proactive, be who you are. It's something that you want to do in the future, and when you step up in those courses, you will actually realize that business administration is such a beautiful course. Dili siya basta-basta lang, dili siya BA lang. Yes.
Yes. So thank you so much, Ma'am Noel, for that advice and insight about the College of Management and Accountancy. So what makes FINMA COC different? At FINMA Cagayan de Oro College, students receive industry-relevant and practical business education, real-world exposure through case studies, simulations, and internships, guidance from experienced and supportive faculty, and student-friendly tuition, support, and opportunities for certifications, leadership, training, and career growth. Because at FINMA COC, we make sure you're not just ready to join the business world, you're ready to lead it. So we also have the FINMA COC Cares. It means na may support na ginhatag sa atong mga students, the free breakfast, communication para sa atong mga early risers. We also have the AGAC support. It means you can freely share or talk about your problems sa atong mga guidance counselors. We also have the study lounge. So pwede mo maka-study 24/7 inside the campus. We have outlets para mag-charge mo sa inyong cellphone or laptops. You also have the Nego Eskwela. So pwede kayo mag business inside sa school. You just have to ask sa CSDL para sa permit or para makalet mo mga negosyo. So aside from the academic excellence, no, students are supported every step of the way from enrollment to employment through coaching, career guidance, and life skills development. So ma'am, unsa man nga nabay mga support nga gaka-receive ang atong mga students from the CMA before, during, and after graduation? Nabad sila yung ma-receive nga support from you?
Ikaw una. Ikaw man una sige istorya.
Ikat na lang.
Support. Support ang istorya ko ba ni kaganya before, during, and after the graduation. Nice support. Pag-think sa.
Okay. Sige. So for our department, how we support our students is really through guiding them. No, nga from freshmen hantod sa mag level up sila. Naagyud ang guidance sa mga teachers. So makita nila ang support in terms of academic and even in kung sa kuan po napunta yung SSP, di ba?
Yes,
Student
Odyssey plan,
Success
no?
Program.
Yes.
So I think I've heard from some students that they really appreciate that. Nga through that program they're able to kanang
Take a breath.
share what
Yes.
they've been experiencing, ilang mga struggles.
Mm-mm.
And for us teachers, we also get the opportunity to listen and makabalumi unsa gid ang mga needs sa mga students. So we can tailor fit no our strategies, ang atong support para sa kung unsa gid ilang kailangan.
Yes.
And so kana during no sa ilahang during sa ilahang training, sa ilang pagskwela dinhi, makita gyud nga the students and the teachers no are together. It's like
Yes.
partnership.
Yes,
It's
correct.
not just like students would be left bitaw on their own, but teachers are here to support them.
Yes.
And we make them feel nga nagid mi no mo na
Sasamahan gyud.
Yes, sasamahan
Sasamahan
kita.
kita.
HTM,
One
one
family.
family, one
Oh,
family,
okay.
HTM. So we hope that our students no,
So you really build a good relationship with your
Yes.
students
Correct.
po,
Yeah,
ma'am.
so building
Correct.
good relationship and of course deploying them to good,
Good
companies
companies.
para sa ilang internship. That's our way also of helping them to actually find like a prospect nila nga kuan kanang workplace. Diba nga when they graduate, some of our students are already kanang absorbed before pa sila mo
Before pa
graduate,
mo
employed na sila kay
yes.
gi-offeran na sila nga
Yes.
i-employ for that company.
Correct. Speaking of guidance and support, aside from the career development programs no, that FINMA COC offers, siguro in our college, the support, the guidance, which Ma'am Irish was talking about, I think it's more also on making them realize that college is that your career in college is something that you want to pursue in the future. It's actually your future. Your college is just your training ground, diba? So, in preparation, well, before, during, and after graduation nga support, I think we can sum it up with the results that we are giving. In the College of Management and Accountancy, the only board course is accountancy, diba? So, BSA. It is a proof already that we are doing 100% performance sa CEPALE, diba nga results? And that is a proof that our team in the College of Management and Accountancy really guides and trains our students. So the training, the guidance is really there before the exam, during the board exam, and then after the exam. So that's something that we are proud of in our board course. In business administration also, I think the support and guidance that we are talking about has something to do with us as teachers, college teachers. It's not more on being liked. It's not being loved by your students. It's actually more on being respected and giving the value. Once they see the value of what you are doing, once they see the value of what they are pursuing, then that's what pushes them.
Yes.
So I
So
think
grabe no, makita gyud nato nga naagyud ang atong teachers to help us throughout our college journey para dili lang sa pag-eskwela nato na sila but even after graduation, they help us to land a job. Kay mo gyud ang purpose sa college for us to be job ready.
Yes.
So thank you so much, ma'am. So for those students no who are interested to pursue College of Management and Accountancy programs, ang atong tuition fee is very student friendly gyud. So under BSBA program, regular all-in fee is around 25,000 and if with HK 50% pud ka, from 25,000, may mo na lang siyang 13,000. While sa BSA or accountancy, ang atong regular all-in fees naman is 26,000. And with HK 50%, may mo na lang siyang 14,000. While ang atong management accounting, regular all-in fee is 25,000. And with HK 50%, may mo na lang siyang 13,000. For the hospitality and management program naman, ang atong regular all-in fee is 26,000. And if with HK 50%, may mo na lang siyang 13,000. While the tourism management, from a regular all-in fee is 26,000. And with HK 50% is 14,000. So after knowing all of this information from our faculty under the CMA, let's have a quick self-check muna, students. No? You ask yourself, do I enjoy leading, planning, or organizing projects? Or interested ba ko in business, finance, or entrepreneurship? Or do I want a career that offers growth, stability, and endless opportunities? And if ang imong answer ng questions kay yes, then the College of Management and Accountancy is perfect for you. That wraps today's episode of the FINMA COC exclusive podcast. Your journey to becoming a future business leader starts with one bold step. Enroll now with our lower all-in fees and discover your potential with the College of Management and Accountancy at FINMA COC. This is Lev, reminding you, lead with purpose, build with confidence, succeed with FINMA COC. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Bye!
Do I enjoy leading, planning, or organizing projects? Or interested ba ko in business, finance, or entrepreneurship? Or do I want a career that offers growth, stability, and endless opportunities?
And once you take a step in it, then you really have to work with it.
You will learn more than what you expected to learn.
And if ang imong answer ng questions kay yes, then the College of Management and Accountancy is perfect for you.